Just so guys, I make a video with my little bear right now. So
Why can be a little?
I say, gotta be a little boy. I'll bring him up.
You guys, see, I cannot be a good boy because I'm 4 this year. I'm 4. When I'm 4, I'll be some clapping some chicks, guys. You know what I mean? Because I'm going to clap those chicks. Yeah. Uh-oh, mommy's coming.
Who's clapping those
Chicks? Because I'm going to clap some chicks today. Hey, yo!
That's so shush. This is just like Baka.
Peace out, guys.